Hello everyone, this is our session number 4 of lesson number 1, number system. In this session we are going to calculate what the basic arithmetic calculations, in which we are going to add binary numbers, subtract binary numbers. We are going to multiply and divide what binary numbers. Okay, so in last session, that means in session 3, we learn how to convert decimal to binary, binary to decimal, decimal to octal, octal to decimal, then hexadecimal to decimal, and decimal to hexadecimal. We learn these points in last session. Now in this session we are going to calculate the arithmetic operations with binary numbers. Okay, we all know the arithmetic operators, in which addition, subtraction, multiplication, division operators are used to calculate what the basic calculations. Okay, and we are going to use these operators with binary numbers or with binary digits. So let's see first how to calculate what addition of binary. But while calculating addition we have to follow some rules. Okay, so these rules are listed here, and you must follow these rules, otherwise you will get what wrong output or wrong result. Okay, so we must follow what these rules. So here are the rules. Okay, so the first one, if you're going to calculate what the addition of two zeros, that means 2, okay, or 2 what false values, that means 0. Okay, then what will be the output or what will be the result? It will be 0. That means false plus false is equal to false, that means 0. Okay, when you use what a true value and false value, or false value and true value, then what will be the output? That is true value. That means 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Then the third one is 1 plus 1. That means you're going to use what the addition of what two true values, that means 1 plus 1, then what will be the result? That is 0. That means it's not what wrong, it is correct, it's true, but here we have to carry what 1. That means what will be the result? 0 with carry 1. Okay, understand? Then next, if there is an addition of what 3 positive values, then what will be the result? That is 1 with 1 carry over. That means we have to add what the 1 or this true value, okay, in next digit. Okay, understand? And here we have to calculate what the addition of binary numbers from right side to left side. So here we have some examples. Let's see how to solve this. So first one, it is a binary. Okay, and we have to calculate what the addition of these given binaries. So let's see how to calculate. That is addition of what 100,101 plus 100,11. Okay, so let's see how to calculate. Now to start to calculate from right side. Then 1 plus 1, if it is the addition of true values, that means from two sides values are true, then what will be the result, or what will be the output, or what will be the calculation? That is 0. Okay, and here we have to carry over 1 in next digit. Okay, next that is 0 plus 1. Okay, and a value that is carried from what our last calculation, it is 1. That means 1 plus 0 plus 1. Okay, then what will be the output? That is 0. 1 plus 1, that is 0. Okay, and we have to carry what 1 in next digit. Okay, now 1 plus 1 plus 0. Okay, 1 plus 1, two side, that value is true, so what will be the result? That is 0. Now we have to carry what 1 in next digit. Okay, now 1 plus 0 plus 0, that means 1 plus 0, what will be the result? That is 1. Okay, understand? Now no need to carry. Now go to next, 0 plus 1, that is what 1. That means it is addition of what 1 false value and 1 true value. So what will be the result? It is 1. And we have to take this one as it is. So when you will calculate the addition of given two binary numbers, you will get this new binary number. Okay, understand? So this is first example. Let's see one more example. Here we have to calculate what the addition of two given binaries. So let's see how to calculate. From right side we have to start to calculate. 0 plus 1, it is addition of false value and true value. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Now no need to carry. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Okay, now 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, and 1 as it is we have to write. So this is what a binary, a newly generated binary, okay, of the addition of given two binary numbers from example 2. Now in example 3 we have to calculate a binary of given binary numbers. These binary numbers are 1001111 and 111100. From right side we have to start to calculate what the addition. Okay, so let's see how to calculate. Now 1 plus 0, that is true plus false. What will be the result? It's 1. 1 plus 0, now what will be the result? It's 1. 1 plus 1, what will be the output? 0, and we have to carry what a 1 in next number or next digit. 1 plus 1, what will be the output? That is 0. Now we carry what a 1 in next digit. Then 1 plus 1, that means it is addition of what a true values. 1 plus 1, what will be the output or what will be the result? 0. Okay, now to carry what a 1 in next. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1, so what will be the result? It's 1, and we have to carry what? 1 in next digit. Okay, there is no in the next digit, so we have to write this number as it is in front of what? The last one. Okay, so this is what a addition of what a binary, given binary digits, and this is newly generated binary number. Okay, now let's see how to calculate the binary of given binary numbers in example 4. Now we have two binary numbers, 10101, 10111. Okay, so let's see how to calculate the addition of given binary from right side. 0 plus 1, that is 1. Okay, 1 plus 1, 0, we will carry 1. Okay, then 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 1, now to carry 1 next digit. 1 plus 0 plus 0, now what will be the output? 1. Now 1 plus 1, it is 0, and we will carry what a number, a true value to next digit. Now we don't have any next digit, so we have to write what that true value as it is in front of a previous one. Okay, so here over the examples of what a calculation or addition of what a binary numbers. Okay, after the binary addition, our next point is binary subtraction. In this point we are going to subtract what? The binary numbers. There is one printing mistake on page number something. Okay, you have to make it correct. Write this binary subtraction. In this session we are going to calculate what? The subtraction of given binary numbers, but it's quite different than what a regular subtraction. In regular subtraction we show the difference between what are two decimals, but here we're going to calculate what the show the difference between two binary numbers. Okay, that means instead of a decimal we are going to show what? It's binary number. Okay, binary number of that decimal number. So we have to follow some rules. Okay, means we cannot here follow a regular subtraction method or rules which we are using for the subtraction method. Okay, so what are the rules? So here are the rules. If you're going to calculate what the subtraction of two false values, then result will be 0. If you're going to calculate what the subtraction of true value and false value, then what will be the result? It's 1. If you're going to calculate the subtraction of true values, then result will be 0, that means false. Okay, and if there is a subtraction of 0, that means if there is a subtraction of false value with a true value, then what will be the result? It's 1, and we have to borrow what a 1 in next digit from next digit. Okay, understand? That means subtraction of 0 and 1 is not possible, so need to borrow what a 1 from next. Okay, understand? So let's see some examples. Here we have 4 examples. I'll show example 2, then 4, and example 3 on blackboard. Okay, that means on screen it's not possible, some calculations are there, some adjustments are there. Okay, and we're going to learn this point also. Okay, as I said, the subtraction of false value and true value is not possible. Subtraction of true value and false value is possible, but the subtraction of false value and true value is directly it's not possible. Okay, understand? Here we have to borrow 1 from next number. Okay, so we are going to learn what these points on blackboard. I'll show how to calculate live or maybe exclusive. Okay, so let's see how to calculate the subtraction. Now here we have two binary numbers, and from this binary we have to show the difference. Okay, what is the difference between these two given binary numbers? Okay, so here we have binary 10111 and 10110, and we have to start to calculate the subtraction from right side. So 1 plus 0, that is 1, because this is addition of order, sorry, this is subtraction of order, true and false. That means 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Then 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 according to rule. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 according to that rule. 0 minus 0, that means there is a subtraction of two true values, sorry, false values. Okay, 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Then 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. That means this is the difference, okay, between the given binary numbers. Now after the binary subtraction, our next one is a binary multiplication. In this point we are going to multiply what are binary numbers, okay, using what a multiplication sign. This is arithmetic operator, and the rules are same which are used to calculate what a decimal number system. Okay, here it is given the rules for a multiplication binary number system are same as that for the decimal number system. So here are the rules: 0 into 0 0, 0 into 1 is equal to 0, 1 into 0 is equal to 0, 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Now let's see how to calculate. Here we have to calculate what a multiplication of given binary numbers. These are 1001 with a 1 1. Okay, we start to calculate from right side. 1 into 1 1, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1. Okay, now go to next number, binary number. 1 into 1 1, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1. Now at the end we have to calculate what the addition. 1 as it is, we have to take it 0 into 1 1, 0 0 0, 1 plus 0 1, and 1 as it is we have to write here. This is what a multiplication of given binary numbers. And second one, we have to use what the same method which we use to calculate what the multiplication of given binary numbers in example 1. We have again two examples. Okay, we have to follow the same method which we followed in example 1, and for addition we have to use the same method, or we have to follow the same rules which we followed while calculating what a binary in last point. Okay, and we'll see the binary division, and one more point is that it's very important, that is a fraction or fractional binary numbers. We're going to cover these points in next session. This after we'll over this lesson. I hope you all understand.